Okay, guys, just gonna do a quick video since it's because um as I just said, it's because we have such a long day today, and we'll just have a anyways. Today we're gonna run this LG 6000 V2 AC. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let me go ahead and turn off the fan. And let me go ahead and turn this down just a little bit so we don't get copyright reasons. Alright, and let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna fire up here. Alright. That beeps. You hear that beep? That's to let me know it's working. And let's go ahead and start her up. The noise you can hear is my Rheem 3-ton central unit running. Let's see what we're getting. Anyways, let's see, where is my... Here it is. And let's see what we're getting up there. Let's see, I'm gonna turn on my light. And see what we're getting. About 60 degrees, 62. 60. I could feel some cold air coming. Oh, 59. I saw that. Turn on the light. There we go. Now let's see what we get in here. 59. I'll say 60. 50, 65. 60 degrees. 59. Alright, 59 degrees. That's good. I tell you what, this Rheem 3-ton central AC still works well after 3 years. Bought this around 2017, and it's still working. But we had one problem since we got this LG 6000. It's because it was broken because the fan motor was blown up, was completely blown. So we called Rheem. We called the company who made it. It's because it's under warranty. So we called Rheem, the company who makes it, and tell them what's wrong, and yep, they fixed it under warranty, but you know. Anyways, let me go ahead and let's see. Let's put it on the fan. Alright. There we go, my camera's focusing. That's coming out. It pulls a pretty good amount of air, as far as I can tell. It also has a 24-hour timer. Here's the safety. Alright. And let's go ahead and oh, just kicked off. That Rheem just kicked off. Alright, let's go ahead and shut her down. It's because we need to save some energy bill, electricity bill. But anyway, and let me go ahead and unplug it. I check to make sure everything's off, but you know. But I know that pressing the buttons it's not good for the control panel. But And let me go ahead and unplug it. Alright, well, that's our quick run on my LG AC. This is William Scully signing out. Bye.